Here it is. It's Saturday, August 11th, the day before my birthday, but it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and this electrifying show is going on. I mean, it is just like crazy. Supposedly the storms were coming up to see us, but they really haven't give us a drop of rain. But it's just the light show tonight is just like God saying, "Happy birthday, Billy boy. This is your day." I mean, just crazy. It's just, I don't know if you ever sit out on the back porch and just look at lightning and carrying ons, but I mean, if we could harness this energy and put it in a freaking battery bank somehow, it would just supply electricity for the next millennia. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a little taste of the evening light show.